There are indoor play areas, there are banquet halls, there's a global cuisine restaurant, you name it. This is another view from the other side. And a very beautiful evening shot with palm trees, a very iconic architecture. So the design has used a very unique technique to illuminate the facade. So they are using perforated metal sheets on the skirtings of each of the layer of the clubhouse, and that perforations will have lighting from inside, creating a very starry ambience whichever way you look at it. Now this is the front side of the clubhouse. That's the drop-off area. That's a grand water fountain. That's the lobby that you can see there. On the back side, we of course have the Wellness Valley, infinity pool and all this. Above it all, of course, I just mentioned about this. We have an in-house team from top-notch 5-star hotels. These are people who are working with HOABL, who are going to manage these clubhouses, manage resorts under the brand name of HOABL for us. And Golden Triangle Mumbai is surely, definitely a part of it. It's not just about building great products. What is the use of building great products if we are not taking care of our nature or giving it back? So this is something which is standard. आप में से बहुतों ने वन गोवा पे काम किया होगा और भी बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम किया होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि इसके लिए कुछ अलग से स्टेप्स लिए जा रहे हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट में. This is something which is standard across the brand HOAB. So we ensure that we have a good natural tree cover, preserved greens without really hampering the entire site. Particularly, specifically with this development, there are more than 3,500 trees across 30 plus species. There's more than 3 lakh square feet of open green pockets in the entire development. Even on the construction front, it's something which is across all the project. We don't use the traditional methods. We use something known as a green steel, which is manufactured by sustainable methods. We use something known as a green cement, which is again manufactured as using sustainable methods. There is fly ash, which is better than concrete and which is better in the curing process, thus requiring less water to use for the purpose of construction. There's reduced dependency on externally sourced water as well. And we also make sure that wherever we build, we replace or have topsoil conservation. We replace the soil that we take out and put it back. Now, this is something very interesting again. Product हमने समझा, इन्वेस्टमेंट हमने समझा विजन क्या है. अभी इन सबका जो मिश्रण है, इन सबका एक ग्रैंड अवतार क्या हो सकता है, which is of course our project campaign under the umbrella of Golden Triangle Mumbai. So this is a very exclusive brand film which we had a shoot for. We had shot this film, we had shot the entire campaign. Come this weekend, we will have all these things flying out across large media. So this is one of the core assets for the entire campaign. This is a very beautiful film encapsulating the idea of Blue Zones, encapsulating the idea of Golden Triangle Mumbai and everything else. So can I have the video please?
You have it all. A high life in a high rise. Big cars and caviars. Yet, you seek something richer. A life healthier, happier, livelier. Come, experience the true glory of life at an address inspired by the world's blue zones. Experience the Blue Zone Mumbai. Where each day unfolds a new chapter, a new story. Where adventure awaits you at every corner, and where open fields are your playground. Lose yourself until you find yourself. Steal moments under the stars and make memories to last a lifetime. Watch sunsets in the warmth of togetherness and end your evenings raising a toast to life. Live a life that's richer in every way. Live the true blue way, the Blue Zone Mumbai, the true blue way of life.
इतने बड़े मैसेज को या फिर इतना ग्रैंड प्रोडक्ट, इतना ग्रैंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी को पहुंचाने के लिए हमें बहुत ग्रैंड टेक्निक्स आजमाने होंगे. ऑफ कोर्स वन ऑफ देम बीइंग वेरी मैसिव एयर कवर across the city. There's going to be more than 15 plus crores of media spends across print, across outdoor, across radio, across digital, you name it, across CTV. We'll have this brand film, we'll have the assets rolling across very shortly, and that's going to, our aim is to reach and create engagement with more than 1 crore plus audience with this media. अभी ये WIP है, ये जल्दी आपको देखने को मिलेगा. All the major leading dailies, be it Times of India, Delhi Times, Gurgaon Times, Hindustan Times, are going to have multiple insertions till the campaign end, because the agenda really here is to have a complete sellout. Massive outdoors across Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, you name it. Massive outreach on digital. आप जो भी फोन खोलोगे या आपके कंज्यूमर्स जो भी फोन खोलेंगे, इंस्टाग्राम खोल रहे हैं, फेसबुक खोल रहे हैं, यूट्यूब खोल रहे हैं, आप उन लोगों को ये वीडियो दिखेगा, वो आपको कॉल करते हुए वापस आएंगे. रेडियो, ऑफ कोर्स, फॉर an engagement perspective, we'll cover all the evening traffic specifically when सर में बॉस का टेंशन नहीं होता, घर जाना होता है, people are more receptive, people are more listening to what is being said. So we'll selectively, precisely target the consumer base and drive the results. Now, without much further ado, what I would like to do is invite my esteemed colleagues, Mr. Gokul, Muthukumari Singh and Mr. Abhirup Chandil on the stage and take us through the next set of very interesting propositions.
Good evening. Once again, thank you, Aditya, for walking our partners through a wonderful concept of Blue Zone and also introducing how massive our campaign and support is going to be for this launch. Gokul sir, I think our partners are now waiting to know what really the win is there for them inside this launch.